Hi, pickleball players. You're on the Happy Trails website, and you need to delete a reservation that you made because someone had to cancel or something happened that caused you to not want to use that court. It's a good idea to do that because then you can free it up for someone else. So, how do we do that? Start at the home page. This is where you enter the website. And here is the home button. You're already at home. The very best way on any device, whether it be your PC, your iPad, or your iPhone, is to go to, under Things to Do, to Mobile Reserve a Court. And this will allow you to delete or add reservation. Click on that. Now, just as you did when you made your reservation, select the day that you had the reservation. In my case, I had one on Sunday, January 14th. It was Town Center Court 1, and it was for 1 hour. Choose reservation. Scroll down as you would if you were making a reservation, and I can't make it for today because it's too soon. It's in the next day. It's today or tomorrow. As it is, it's tomorrow. So when I go down here, I see my reservation, my 1 hour reservation here, and it says Show Reservation. Click on Show Reservation, and then click here to delete the entire event. After you do that, it will come up and there'll be a box to close it, and you can close the box, and you are done, and your item has been deleted.